Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to change your air filter. This one is the 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit. So it is similar to Golf GTI, Jetta, or Passat, or MK5 or RS23. So anyway, first of all, you need to take out this clamp right here. So you need to use a channel plier to grab it, and then to loosen it up so you can move the air duct away or separate them like that. Okay, some people they put it all the way down here. Don't put it right here. You're gonna pinch those because right here is thicker. As you can see right here, the diameter is smaller. So, and you need to use a Torx screw or the bit to remove those two. By the way, those screws are the Torx T15, okay? And you could simply remove this MAF sensor by pinch this tab toward outside or toward outward. And here click, and then you can disengage it, okay? Or you can remove those two screws to take out the MAF sensor in case you need to clean it. So you want to use a MAF sensor cleaner to clean it because that thing is very sensitive. So after that, there are like 4 grommet on the bottom, okay? And you need to use both hands, try to pry evenly upward, okay? Since I removed already, so I'll just give you a simplified instruction here, okay? So there are like 4 posts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the rubber grommet I'm talking about right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So that air filter is in here. You need to remove those Phillips screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I like to do is put like a blanket or sheets on the ground, and we could flip it upside down so it's easier to work with, so you don't get this thing scratched up. But anyway, or you can put it this way. Since I have it in this position already, I'm just gonna put it this way and to get it out. All right. By the way, those screw doesn't come out all the way, so Okay, so when you lose all those screws, all you need to do is just pull this side outward. Hopefully I don't need to use two hands. Make sure all the screws are loosened. Okay, and it's like open like a book. Because they are like clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's clipping on this tab right here. That's sticking out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's your air filter right here. So I just need to pull it upward. Ooh, it's dirty in there too, so. Okay.
Oh, you're see you later.
Alright. So this is what it look like. And it's kind of dirty. So yeah, I need to buy a new one to replace it. So yeah, to put it back, all you do is just clip it on those clips. And then close it back up. Make sure it's sitting all the way. And you could push down and then screw it in there also. So yeah, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.